You know, excuses? They sound so convincing, don't they? I'm too tired. Oh yeah? How many times have you said that? How many dreams have died because you were too tired? Too tired to chase your goals, too tired to pick up that phone and call the person of your dreams, too tired to work on your side hustle? Come on, don't lie to yourself. Or how about this one? I don't have time. Please, time is the one thing we all have in common. We all get 24 hours a day. It's how we use those hours that set us apart. We can't blame it on the lack of time when it's the one thing we all have in equal measure. It's not the right moment. Ah, the eternal excuse. Life is never going to be perfect. There'll always be something going on, someone needing attention, some crisis waiting around the corner. You know what? Life is messy. It's beautiful in its messiness. But if you wait for the right moment, you'll be waiting forever. The right moment doesn't exist. You need to make it happen. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that every single excuse starts with I? I am too tired. I don't have time. It's not the right moment for me. That's right. Excuses are all about you. You are the center of the universe, or at least that's what your excuses want you to believe. But guess what? You're not. And it's okay to admit it. Let me say it again. You're not the center of the universe. You see, excuses are just lies we tell ourselves. Lies that keep us stuck, keep us small, keep us playing it safe. But here's the brutal truth. Every excuse you've ever made was your mind protecting you from discomfort. And guess what? Success doesn't live in comfort. Success demands sacrifice. It screams resilience. It thrives on discipline. Think about it. When you say, I'm too tired, what you're really saying is, I'm too tired to face my fears. I'm too tired to confront my weaknesses. I'm too tired to push myself beyond my limits. Because facing the unknown, facing the possibility of failure, that's scary. And it's easier to hide behind the guise of being tired than to acknowledge the tremor in your heart. How about this one? I'll start tomorrow? Stop it right there. Tomorrow is just another excuse to waste today. It's like saying, I'm not ready today, but I'll definitely be ready tomorrow. Well, guess what? Tomorrow never comes, or if it does, it becomes today, and you find yourself saying the same thing, I'll start tomorrow. Why? Because starting terrifies you. Starting means confronting the reality of your current situation. It means acknowledging the gap between where you are and where you want to be. But here's the secret. That gap is where growth happens. So instead of running away from it, run towards it. Start today. Oh, what about I can't do it? I can't do it is a lie. The truth is, you won't. Can't is just a fancy word for won't. You won't do it. You choose not to do it. You're afraid to do it? And guess what? It's okay to admit it. Instead of saying I can't, say I won't. Take ownership of your choices. Own your excuses because they're nothing but chains that keep you average, keep you small, keep you safe. They are the walls you build around yourself to protect you from failure, from disappointment, from the pain of trying. But walls also keep you from success. Walls also block out happiness. Listen, the people who succeed aren't the ones with perfect circumstances. They're the ones who stopped making excuses. They're the ones who recognized that life isn't fair, that the world doesn't owe them anything, and that success is earned, not given. They're the ones who said, I'm not too tired, I'm not too busy, I'm not waiting for tomorrow, I'm starting now. You know, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. We all experience the same emotions. We all face the same challenges. What sets those who succeed apart from those who don't is their refusal to make excuses. It's their ability to take responsibility, to embrace discomfort, to push through the pain. It's their courage to start when they don't feel like it, to continue when no one is watching, to persevere when faced with rejection. I'll tell you something that might hurt a little, but it's better to feel the pain of rejection than the pain of regret. Listen, when you make an excuse, you trade in your dreams for comfort. When you take action, you build discipline. When you take action, you kill fear. You erode doubt. You silence the inner critic. Every time you choose to act, You build strength, resilience, momentum. And guess what? These are the qualities that separate those who succeed from those who don't. You see, success isn't about perfect planning. It's about imperfect action. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it, about putting one foot in front of the other even when you're exhausted, about keeping your eyes on the prize even when faced with distractions. Success is a battle fought not with weapons, but with the courage to take action despite your fears. Here's the deal. Excuses are like weeds. They grow in the cracks of your potential. They choke the flowers of your dreams. They steal the sunshine of your happiness. But here's the good news. Just like weeds, excuses disappear the moment you decide to take action. Action is the herbicide that kills doubt. It's the water that nourishes hope. It's the fertilizer that helps your dreams grow. Listen, you are not defined by your circumstances. You are defined by your choices. You are not limited by your past. You are empowered by your will to succeed. You are not held back by your fears. You are propelled forward by your actions. It's time to stop making excuses and start making moves. It's time to stop talking about your dreams and start living them. It's time to stop saying, "I can't," and start saying, "I can." Because guess what? You can do it. You can achieve it. You can become it. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is the courage to take action, the audacity to believe in yourself, the determination to make things happen. Listen, excuses build regret, but action builds greatness. Don't settle for mediocrity. Don't settle for a life of regrets. Aim for greatness. Strive for excellence. And here's your reminder. You are capable. You have time. You will do it now. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Don't be too tired. Don't be too busy. Don't make excuses. Do it now. In this moment, right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.